Hunting Banknotes, a guide for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you what it's like to go through banknotes to try to look for really rare notes that are worth a lot of money. So if you're looking for a fun, low-risk hobby that could potentially help you find some rare banknotes worth money, banknote hunting might be for you. It's as easy as visiting your local bank and asking for paper money, but the real excitement is in what you might find. So step 1, go to your bank and request paper currency in the denomination you want. Many collectors start with 1s and 2s, but you can request 5s, 10s, 20s, or even a strap. For example, $100 of 1s equals 100 notes. Here's a pro tip. Ask for new bills or unopened straps if they have any. These can often contain uncirculated or consecutive notes. Step 2, search for collectible features. For example, rare or fancy serial numbers. You can have low serial numbers, high serial numbers, repeater serial numbers, ladders, radar, solid, binary, birthday notes. Also, look for error notes. Whether you have some sort of misprint like an ink smear, a shift, or a misalignment, you can have cutting errors, missing or doubled seals and serial numbers, mismatched serial numbers. Looking for uncirculated notes, this means they are crisp, clean, they are free of folds or creases. These notes are in pristine condition and they may grade highly. Consecutive notes. This is when you have 2 or more bills with the serial numbers in order. Collectors love bricks or runs of consecutive bills. Other oddities include star notes that are essentially replacement notes that have replaced damaged or misprinted bills. You can have obsolete or older style notes that are no longer printed, like gold certificates, legal tender notes, silver certificates. You can find notes from rare Federal Reserve banks or short-run printing varieties. Now, why is this a great hobby? There is no upfront cost. You use your own money. This can be done at any age. It's easy to start and scale. It's great for mental exercise, pattern recognition, memory, and research. If you don't find anything valuable, just return the bills to the bank and get your money back. It's that simple. Step 3, set aside what looks interesting. If a note catches your eye or fits into any of the categories we've talked about, set it aside. It might be worth more than face value. Step 4, research and evaluate the value of your bills. You can use tools like mycurrencycollection.com, uspapermoney.info. You can go to eBay sold listings for real market values, or you can go to online collectors groups or forums. We have a school group that you could join if you want. Step 5, consider getting it graded. So if your note is actually rare, the condition is good, or has some sort of major collector appeal, it might be worth getting it graded and encapsulated by professional grading companies like Paper Money Guarantee or PCJust Banknote. Do note that graded notes come in a tamper-proof holder and often sell for more money due to its verified authenticity and collection. Step 6, store your collection properly. Use currency sleeves or top loaders for protection. Keep your notes away from moisture, direct sunlight, and folding. Label your finds to stay organized. Step 7, connect with other collectors. Community is so key when it comes to enjoying this hobby. Joining our school group is a great place to get started. You can visit local coin shops or currency shows. You can watch videos like from Old Money Prices. I heard that guy was pretty alright, but who knows, for tips and rare finds. For final thoughts, banknote hunting is one of the few hobbies where you can learn history, sharpen your mind, get your money back if you don't find anything, and potentially profit if you do. So next time you're at your local bank, don't just grab coins. Ask for paper money and start your journey into an exciting world of currency collecting. We do hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and we will see you in the next one.